Hello kids, welcome back to Rudranaya classes. Today our topic is short stories. First story here, Rat and Cheese. Ted is a rat. Ted the rat sat on a rug. Ted the rat spots cheese. Yum, said the rat and ran to eat the cheese. यहाँ पर हमारी स्टोरी खत्म हुई. अब हम स्टोरी से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Let's start. Our first question is, who is Ted? Ted is a rat. Second question, where did Ted sit? Ted the rat sat on a rug. Third question क्या है? What did Ted see? Ted the rat spots cheese. Our fourth question is, do you like cheese? Yes, I like cheese. What about you? Let's move on another story, Frog and Duck. This is a friend, the frog. This is a neck, the duck. Knack the duck made friend, the frog in the pond. Knack and friend spot big shells. Friend took the red shell. Knack took the yellow shell. Both Knack and Fran put shells in their bag. They went to the shop to sell their shells. The end. Now we see the story related question. Who is this? This is the friend, the frog. Who is this? This is a knack, the duck. Spot the yellow shell. Like this, we spot the yellow shell. What is in the bag? Red and yellow shell. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.